In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to utilize Variable Price Barcode Parser, and we're going to borrow this label from Fair Price Market in Henderson, Virginia. And so this particular item is for fresh okra, right? And what we're going to do first is install an app called Variable Price Barcode Parser. And once you've installed it, it's just going to tell you that the configuration is not complete. To complete the configuration, let's just minimize the app and go to an app called Settings. Let's see, Settings, there it is. Settings, not Setup. And we go to Accessibility, and you see that there's a Variable Price Barcode Parser, and it's in the off position. And we're just going to go ahead and switch that on. Say OK. All right, and then just have that turned on. And then once it's turned on, if you just open the Variable Price Barcode Parser, so Fair Price Market scale, whatever scale that is, on their label, they have, so I'm just going to go to the settings icon right there in the top right corner, and they need the barcode that encodes 4 digits for price, which is this one. So I'm going to select this one and hit save. All right. And then we're going to go to inventory, and I'm just going to create this item for them real quick. So there we got the name, and I'm going to put it as a variable price item. I'm not going to worry about the cost. That's what what they pay to their supplier. And then I just kind of zoomed into this barcode. I'm going to ignore this first 0, and the product code is going to be 2 followed by 2 zeros, followed by 173 even. Yeah. So let's see. 2 0 0 1 7 3. Okay. All right, so that's 6 digits, and it doesn't really matter if you change this. So if you want to assign categories, change labels, modifiers, taxes, fees, that's perfectly fine. Go ahead and do that. But in the product code, we need to enter the 6 digits that we see on this label, like so, right? So 173. And I'm gonna go ahead and let's just put the business name here, Fair Price Market. Just so that we know which item we're dealing with. Okay, there it is. Now I'm gonna go to register, and I'm just gonna scan this barcode on my phone, and there's the item, and it pulled it up at 547. Okay, let me just kind of zoom in real quick. So this whole testing is something other that has nothing to do with Fresh Price Market, but basically that's what you would get right here, right? So you get your item, and the price would match. Now, if this barcode isn't working, try the built-in one. So there's this barcode that will pull up a camera, and then you just point your barcode like that and see how it doubled. So basically, if this barcode scanner isn't working, try the built-in one, and if the built-in one is working, then this barcode scanner that you have is not the right one, in the sense that it's not from Clover. So maybe it's the same model as mine, but it's not from Clover, right? So, and it's important that it is. So I hope this helps, and call me if it doesn't.